Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
Essential phrasal verbs with break. You need to know. Like, and do not forget to subscribe for the channel. Break up. For meanings, depending on the context. 1. To end a romantic relationship. Example. After dating for 5 years, they decided to break up. 2. To separate into smaller pieces. This can refer to physical objects being divided. Example. She broke up the chocolate bar into smaller pieces to share with her friends. Break away. Meaning, to leave or escape from someone or something that is holding you. Example. The prisoner managed to break away from the guards. Break down. For meanings depending on the context. 1. To stop functioning. This is often used for machines or vehicles. Example. Our car broke down on the way to the beach. 2. To become very upset and start crying. This is used for emotional situations. Example. She broke down in tears when she heard the news. 3. To fail or collapse. This can refer to systems, relationships, or discussions. Example. The negotiations broke down after several hours of debate. 4. To analyze something into smaller parts. This is used for detailed examination. Example. Let's break down the project into manageable tasks. Break in. For meanings depending on the context. 1. To enter a building or car by force, usually to steal something. Example. The burglars broke in through the kitchen window and stole several valuable items. 2. To interrupt a conversation. Example. She broke in on our discussion to share an important update. 3. To train someone or something in a new activity. Example. It took a few weeks to break in the new horse. 4. To wear something, especially new shoes, until they become comfortable. Example. He wore the new boots around the house to break them in. Break off. 2 meanings. 1. To end a relationship or agreement. Example. They decided to break off their engagement after realizing they had different life goals. 2. To stop speaking or doing something suddenly. Example. She broke off in the middle of her speech when she heard a loud noise. Break out. 2 meanings. 1. To start suddenly. Often used for something negative like a war, disease, or fire. Example. A fire broke out in the warehouse last night, causing significant damage. 2. To escape from a place. Example. Several prisoners managed to break out of the high-security prison. Breakthrough. 2 meanings. 1. To achieve success after overcoming difficulties. Example. After years of hard work, she finally broke through in the music industry with her hit single. 2. To forcefully pass through a barrier. Example. The rescue team broke through the rubble to reach the survivors trapped underneath. Break even. Meaning, to reach a point where income equals expenses. It's the point where you cover all your costs but don't make any extra money. 1. In a business context. Example. After a tough first year, the new cafe finally managed to break even. 2. In a personal finance context. Example. With all the unexpected expenses this month, I just managed to break even.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, turn on bell notifications.